Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Wyatt and I are so happy you joined us today. Wyatt's waking up. It is early on a Sunday morning and we are kicking off another What I Wore video. And Wyatt and I are the only ones up right now. Even Zena has chosen to remain in bed this morning. So, are you up, buddy? You up to this? I know, he works so hard for these videos, right? So, thank you so much for joining us. If you like my What I Wore videos, please keep watching. Consider hitting that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so very much appreciate it. I hope you enjoy these videos. So, it is Sunday morning and I'm trying to get my son up because he has a early hockey practice that we have to rush off to. So, it is overcast and raining. It has been raining for 24 hours nonstop. It just won't stop raining. And after a week of nice warm weather, it is like 55 degrees outside and freezing. So today I have on a sweater at the beginning of September, and jeans, and I'm not happy about it at all. So my sweater is from a FabFitFun style box I got a few months ago, and I have on a pair of DL 1961 flare crop jeans from one of my Amazon Prime wardrobe boxes, and a pair of Jeffrey Campbell booty, open-toed booties, lace-up booties. I love Jeffrey Campbell's shoes, and that is it. So let me share my outfit for Sunday. Okay, so here it is. And these are these little flare crops. I have a little bit of distressing in these jeans. And this sweater has cutouts in the front and back. So it's very cute, even though I'm not happy to wear a sweater today. But it's a very neutral outfit because I'm feeling a little blah because of the weather. So that's it for today. I hope everyone has a good Sunday, and I will see you tomorrow. Hi everybody, it is Monday morning, and it is a travel day for me, and it is craptastic outside. It is raining for day 3. It is cold. It is just so crappy out. It's unbelievable. So, I'm really looking forward to, dragging my suitcase through the airport parking lot in this weather and looking out the window. It's so crappy outside. Even Wyatt doesn't want to go out in this weather, huh, buddy? It is so yucky out. Zena has gone to her crate, which is in the basement, which means that she wants total quiet time and really isn't in the mood for anything. So, today's outfit is not fancy by any sense of the imagination. I have on my Spanx leggings from my Transcend and a tunic tank in a blue and black stripe from Evereve, and I'm going to have my, can you guys hear that? It's raining so hard. And I have my jean jacket from my Wantable in that light denim wash. And you guessed it, I am once again wearing my Sanuk flip-flops because I am headed to Las Vegas. So once I get there, it will be 105 degrees and sunny. So huge difference, really hard for me to decide what to wear today. So here is my outfit for Monday. Pretty easy. I love these tanks. They are so nice because they're nice and long and comfy for a very long plane ride. And I liked this lighter wash jean jacket. So this is my travel outfit for today. Okay, so I will catch you all tomorrow. Thank you. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday morning and I'm coming to you from my hotel room in Las Vegas. I don't have my tripod and I don't think this lighting is great. I'm so sorry. And I barely have any makeup on because first thing this morning, my coworker and I scheduled spa appointments because after this, it is all work, work, work. So we tried to schedule just a little bit of fun before the craziness started. So for Tuesday, I just have on a t-shirt dress and a pair of flip-flops to kick this day off. I may have a second outfit for you later because all of the kickoff festivities will begin, so I will probably have to change and put on makeup, right? But here is my outfit for this morning. I have on a t-shirt dress from Stitch Fix, and you guessed it, a pair of Sanuk flip-flops, which are the silver ones I believe you guys have seen before. And for when I step outside of this room, which I keep nice and toasty, it will be cold in the air conditioning. I have my jean jacket, my cut from the cloth jean jacket from my last Wantable. So here is my Tuesday morning outfit. I love this little t-shirt dress. It is so comfy. It is, I think it was in two Stitch Fixes ago. It's so cute. I think, yeah. And these were my Sanuk flip-flops I have on. And here is what it looks like with the jean jacket. Okay. So this is my Tuesday morning outfit, and would you guys like to see my view? I'm on the 27th floor, so it's not a bad view, and you can see the mountains in the distance. So let me show you. So here it is. This is my view from my hotel. Not too bad. Okay, signing off for today. Hi, I am back with my Tuesday evening outfit, and I am fighting with lighting in my room, so I apologize. Hopefully you can see my outfit. I am headed off now to the welcome reception for my conference, so it is all work going forward now, so I wanted to share my outfit. I am not speaking at this conference, so that allows me to be a little bit more fun and not quite as professional as I would normally be, you know, suit jackets and a little more of a casual print. You'll see this is not, or a more muted print, let me say it that way. This one is not muted at all. I wanted to have a little bit more fun as the summer winds down here. So this is a dress from the Loft, and I have a pair of sandals on. I did have to pack comfortable sandals, so they're not quite as fun. Also, I couldn't pack a lot of shoes, so you're going to see a lot of repeats because I travel only with a carry-on bag. That's a whole different video. I traveled once years ago for a business trip, and the airline lost my bag, so ever since then I will not check a bag. So the downside of that is I don't get to bring a lot of shoes with me. So I only have 2 pairs of shoes and some flip-flops with me on this trip, so you will see some repeats. So here is my Tuesday evening outfit. So this is a Loft wrap dress with this fun print that I really like. And I have on these sandals. I don't know if you guys can see them, so just in case I will show you. They are by Isola, and they are a very comfortable print. These are a champagne color. I really like them. I can wear them all day and still be comfortable. And of course I brought one of my favorite jean jackets. You guys may have already seen this before if you've watched my other videos. I think it might have been on my first What I Wore video, but it's super stretchy and comfortable. So I also have this jacket because it is always cold in here. So this is my Tuesday evening outfit. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday morning and I am just about ready for the day, and I wanted to share my outfit with you. I have actually Tommy Hilfiger wrap dress that I got at Macy's with a pair of Via Spiga sandals that have a chunky heel so they're comfortable all day because I will be doing a ton of walking throughout the convention center today. So, and I have on a jewelry from my rocks box, which is a druzy necklace and the druzy earrings, which you might have seen if you watched one of my rocks box videos. So, and of course I have a sweater because it will be cold in the air conditioning all day. So here is my outfit for Wednesday. This dress is so comfortable. I really like it. My sandals are pretty comfortable. I don't know if you guys can see them close up, but they're good for all day. So this is my outfit for Wednesday. We do have different plans for tonight, so I may have another outfit for you if I have time to come back and change. So hope you all have a great day, and I will possibly see you later. Hi everybody, it's still Wednesday. I'm back in my room for a quick change. We are running out for dinner and a couple events, so I changed into something a little bit more comfortable. It is a loft skirt from a couple years ago, a tank, oh the lighting's bad, so sorry, a tank from Old Navy, and I have a turquoise cardigan here, same shoes, really comfortable. I'm a little wrinkled, sorry, but here's my outfit for Wednesday evening. Super comfy. Here's the cardigan. I gotta run, so I'm doing this super quick for you. Not too exciting, but hopefully it'll do. And I am going crazy here because I'm wrinkled and don't have time to get the wrinkles out. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, it is Thursday morning, the last day of the conference, and I am wiped out. So that's not good because I still have a really long day. Anyway, I wanted to share my outfit of the day. I have on my Transcend dress with a little mesh insert here. It is super comfortable, and I don't think I'll have time to change or really have any desire to change tonight. So I figured this would last throughout the day. I still have the same shoes on, and I brought a little blazer to put on over this for the air conditioning. So here is my outfit for Thursday. Still have my same chunky heels on. I probably won't be able to wear these for a little while once I get home, since I've been wearing them, it feels like forever, but for a couple days now. And here is my jacket that I brought, which is from White House Black Market. So this is my outfit for Thursday. Okay, tomorrow is Friday, and I have a very early morning because I have a plane to catch, but I will try to get my outfit in for you before I go. See you tomorrow. Hi everybody, it is Friday and I'm about to leave to catch my plane home. So it is super early in the morning on the West Coast, but I won't get home till, I don't even know. I think my plane lands around 5 p.m. on the East Coast. So it will feel like a super long day. But I want to share my outfit of the day. I picked a super comfy dress to go home in because it was easy. So here is my outfit of the day. It is a dress from White House Black Market, and you guessed it, I have Sanuk flip-flops on. So this is my outfit for Friday. I have my silver flip-flops on, and of course my cut from the cloth jean jacket because I am sure that I will be cold along the way. So this takes my trip to a close. Hopefully everything goes on time and I get home late this afternoon, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi, it is Saturday and I am back home. Yay! So it is a very, very long week, but hopefully when I go to put this video together for you all, I caught the whole week this time. So Zena is here. She's trying to hide. Want to say hi to everybody? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. And Wyatt in his normal dozy state here. So my sleepy sidekicks are back. So I want to share my outfit of the day for Saturday. And I have on a skirt from the Loft and a sheer top with a black tank under it from White House Black Market. And I have on my lilac sandals from one of my trunk clubs. So here is my outfit for Saturday. Hopefully you guys can see these sandals. They are so cute. At least I think so. Okay, this is my outfit for Saturday. Let me do a quick wrap up. So I hope you all enjoyed what I wore this week, and I hope you're enjoying the outfits of the day. I would love to hear what you guys think, so please, please, please comment below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I could use the support, and hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you from Wyatt, Zena, and I. She's hiding again. Thank you. Until next time, everybody have a great weekend. Bye.